Hey there! In today's video we're going to tackle an interesting problem that many developers may encounter. Picture this scenario. You have two DLL projects. Let's call them A1.dll and B1.dll. Now, B1.dll references A1.dll. The problem arises when you want to add similar functionality to A1.dll, but it needs to reference B1.dll. This situation creates a circular dependency, which we definitely want to avoid to maintain a clean and efficient project structure. So, the question is, how do we solve this problem while keeping our projects modular and organized by function? Now, on to the solution. One key strategy to break the cyclic dependency is to isolate a new component that holds common functionality for both existing components, as you mentioned in your initial inquiry. By creating a new DLL, let's name it A2.dll, that inherits from A1.dll, and also references B1.dll, we can effectively avoid the circular reference issue. This approach allows A2.dll to inherit all the functionality while incorporating the necessary references to B1.dll. Additionally, following the acyclic dependencies principle outlined by Robert C. Martin is crucial in maintaining a well-structured and scalable project architecture. To further enhance the solution, another strategy to consider is the application of the Dependency Inversion Principle (DIP). By reorganizing dependencies and abstracting interfaces, we can ensure the components are decoupled and interact through well-defined interfaces. This principle plays a crucial role in establishing clear dependency flows within the project, ultimately promoting a more flexible and maintainable codebase. In summary, when faced with cyclic dependencies in your DLL projects, remember to prioritize clean and decoupled architecture. By following the acyclic dependencies principle and implementing strategies like isolating common functionality and applying the dependency inversion principle, you can effectively manage dependencies and enhance the modularity of your projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time, happy coding!